Greetings, mortals. Greetings.
Hold it. Greetings. Okay, great.
It's a regular flavor. Okay, can you do that again? All right. Greetings, mortals. I am Macabre, Gravely Macabre, and welcome to the National Haunters Convention. How lucky we really all are, don't you think, that as adults we get to do the things that we just dreamed about being able to do as kids, huh? Yeah. Whether it was because of Halloween, whether it was because of horror movies, whether it was because of just trying to find your Big Brother's Famous Monsters magazines or anything like that and read them, huh? And now we get to do it. We get to play, some for a hobby and some for a living. I think we should all be very grateful. A few years ago, in my living room, Michael Bruner and Rob Coker and I and a bunch of other haunters from around Pennsylvania just started hanging out after the season to talk about how we built things and how we did things and to try and problem solve. And that turned into the Central PA haunt gatherings that Michael ran at his house, and then in a church, and then in a little hotel. And in just a couple of years, gee whiz, look where we are already. And it's just because of the response we've been getting from all of you. And now it's turned into from somebody's living room into the National Haunters Convention. It's pretty impressive from Michael and from Rob. So please enjoy the weekend. We have great plans for next year as well already because of the pre-show response. We've already been able to set in motion plans for next year. And without any further ado, I would like to introduce Grim from Patient Creatures, who is going to cut the black ribbon for us so we can all get started.
Let it begin.
Where's your camera?
Have fun. Enjoy. Alrighty.
They're awesome. Yeah, they're the best.